I want to introduce you to Flipgrid.com. So if you would either download the app to your phone so that you can go outside and do recordings, or if you can get onto a computer and go to Flipgrid.com. And we have a Flipgrid, which is kind of like our unit of study, and then there's different topics, and you'll be recording a video to enter it. And our code for our Flipgrid is 366B15. So we're going to type it right there, and it'll take us to our grid. So here's our grid that we're going to be adding things to, and you can see the topic that I'm going to ask you to record about, and you can watch the video right there about the topic. As we begin our study of ecology, where we're going to be talking about food chains, food web. So going to this Flipgrid, then you can watch the introductory video, and if you see this big green button, you're going to use this button to add your own video. So think about what you want to reply in this flow of energy video. So the topic is about going outside and recording a microhabitat. So you might explore around your yard and find a microhabitat around your yard that you can record about. Then you would punch this little green button. So then you would hit this little green button right here to start your recording, and it's going to bring up a video right there, and then you can start recording here. So you press this button and record your video. Then you're going to see an arrow, and after you've recorded, it's going to be recording up to 1.5 minutes. Then you hit next, and after you've recorded, it's going to, and then it's going to take a picture. If you're happy with your video, then you can keep it. If you're not, then you can hit that trash button that you saw right there, and then you take a picture of yourself, and you can add, and if I don't like that picture, let's see if I do a different one. And then I can put something beside it. You can go down here and get all these little icons and put beside it. Little animals. Y'all know how I am about my turtle. Okay, and I can use that. Now whenever you put your name in, you don't have to put your last name. You just click into the last name button and hit the space bar, and it will carry on and submit your video complete. So now there's the video, and that's how you upload a Flipgrid video.